Hello, and welcome to Gatsby GH. This is your girl next door. If you're right, let me fix my hair. Good. So, I'm back again. Today we are talking about how much does Nana Ama McBrown makes. How much is her net worth? Welcome to Gatsby GH. This is your girl next door. If you're right, on this platform we talk about everything celebrity fashion, celebrity lifestyle, celebrity gossip. How much does Nana Ama McBrown makes? Hey, do you have any idea? If you have any idea, take a guess and leave a comment down below before I let you in on the gist. Okay, so there was a recent interview, right? Where I believe Bulldog, I think Abeku Santana challenged Bulldog on when Nana McBrown was on UTV, United Showbiz, one of their shows episode, and Bulldog dropped a hint that they get paid $500 to sit on that stage to do a show every single episode, $500. Hey, $500, which is equivalent to, let me calculate. $500. We are not even talking Canadian dollars. We're talking American dollars, right? Lajan. So let me see. In Canada, $500, if we're to be Canadian, will be 4,000 Ghana cedis. And then 4,000 Ghana cedis. That's 40 million. Hey, 4,200 Ghana cedis. That's 40 million. Oh, let's see American money. 500 United States dollar will give you about 5,959 Ghana cedis, which is 5,900 Ghana cedis, almost 6,000. Hey, according to sources, only about 10% of Ghanaians makes that income. 10%, including all the ministers. These folks sit on that show. Crank of one, I can't even $500. Mind you, that's what Bulldog said. Bulldog is part of the panel. So when the American could do no, Nana Ama McBrown is the host. Tell me, how much is she going to make? I bet you she makes double or double and a half. I bet you she makes that. Say if Nana Ama makes double, let's say kwata or make it 10 or make it 1,000 a night. $1,000 a night will give you this was 5,000 though. Hey, it will give you 10,000, 100 million. And I'm what? Hey, at night, please, can I come and be your assistant? Whatever you pay me, I tell you, I will leave Canada to come ASAP. Hey, I beg, I will come and be your assistant. No doubt about it. And I say, lady know what you was on today. Also, we shall tell the Media assistant and me pay. Media, I want to get paid. I just don't want the hand me down. Be pesika. And you paid your assistant. Okay? Salutes. Yes, let's move on. If they make $500 a night, how much does Nana Ama McBrown makes? Me say drop that hint in the comment section if you know. Let's see who come closer to how much, because that brings us to how much does Nana Ama McBrown worth. What is her net worth? Hey, mind you, Nana Ama McBrown started acting 2001. Which I say, just when let me check. They discover Nana. Good. Or started with TV show be another day, or said that day, and then later starred in a movie called Tentacles. Fast forward 2007, and the game, it was playing. Yes, movie. Sorry, back with the Jacko. Hey. That movie is one of the epic movies in Ghana. And then Kumasi Nyonko. Bogasovia were here. Yes. Nana Ama McBrown did all this movie. Nana Ama McBrown since 2007 up till now has played in over 200 movies. She has numerous cars, including G-Wagon and a Range Rover, which costs 300,000 Ghana cedis. Hey, Nana Ama has a mansion also located in Kumasi. Now, saying of branching into television show hosting, brand ambassadorship, brand deals, and commercials. Nana Ama McBrown hosted up until just a couple of months ago, March, hosted UTV cooking program called McBrown's Kitchen, and also the talk show called United Showbiz. Talk about Nana Ama McBrown's endorsement deals. Nana Ama McBrown is an ambassador to Royal Drinks, clean washing powder company as well. She was named an ambassador for the COVID-19 Natural Trust Funds in March 2021. She is also McBerry Biscuit Company ambassador, and I think y'all know the biggest one, the biggest ambassadorship, I think, unless if I'm mistaken, and if I'm mistaken, please let me know. He says Nana Ama has also achieved many awards under her belt. We are going to list some for you according to Ghana Insider website. He said Nana Ama won an award in Best English Actress, Best Actress in Leading Role, Best Traditional Movie, Best Story at 2011 Kumewood Awards, Favorite Actress at 2016 Ghana Movie Awards, Eurostar Best Dressed Female Celebrity on the Red Carpet of 2016 Ghana Movie Awards. She was awarded the Golden Actress with the movie Side Chick Gang at the Golden Movie Awards television film. I mean, this thing, I'm telling you, this will just go on and on and on and on. And as you can see, some of these dates are a little bit outdated, right? A little bit far, but this goes to show her experience, her fame, popularity. Nana Ama is married to Maxwell with a daughter, Maxine. And I mean, their life has been basically they've been living their life on the screen for all of us to bear witness to. As of 2023, Nana Ama McBrown has an estimated net worth of almost $1 million. Eish! 1 million, oh, Lajan. Yes. She also makes more money from other hosting shows, other award hostings, you know, and other ambassadorship as well. Nana Ama McBrown, as we can all see, yes, is sitting on a moolah. So it is a way you can try and enhance the body. Send a on one casa will be at peace. It doesn't mean anybody no not enye. Yeah, na send ya me ka maka o me one of my videos no no. Obi aso body ye. Ento pia bontia. Onufu na wo wie enti ati egu na so no. Na wo de no sa na wo de sen ya na meboa. Fa wo tire wo sa fa besin. Fo eni mu ya potwas aye hu bebre. Fa de na besin keke. Enfa eyelashes enhye. Enfa hwenke kan wa yi. Wano. Eno so kofo koyeso amotomo from kolo. Hey, sisi anti anya mo dan. Timpacho si yenuanu ho ye fa mo ma yen embrace, mo ma yen comfort, mo ma yen happy for them. If you're not happy for them, stop talking. Enkasa. When some people can't enkasa. And hating Crawford just for hating sake. Just because when you're going to newfound confidence, when you're going to a lot of oomph in their act. Into no keke na no here. Oh, let's be supportive to each other. Now, with all these experiences that Nana Ama McBrown has, I am pretty sure she has negotiated such a fair deal with Onya Television, because they know, say, the woman who is coming is a trailblazer. It's a woman, it's a force to reckon with, and I wish her continual success and continual grace. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you haven't clicked the subscribe button, please do that now. Join me again on my next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.